there, buying your first home is super exciting, but it can also be a bit overwhelming. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 mistakes first-time homebuyers make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. I've seen so many people fall in love with a house only to find out they can't afford it. Trust me, getting pre-approved will save you time and heartache. Mistake number 2, skipping the home inspection. Sure, it's tempting to save a few bucks, but hidden problems can cost you big time down the road. Always, and I mean always, get a professional home inspection. Now, mistake number 3, overbidding. In a competitive market, it's easy to get caught up in a bidding war. Set a budget and stick to it. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. On to mistake number 4, ignoring closing costs. These can include things like loan origination fees, title insurance, and property taxes. Make sure you budget for these additional expenses so you're not caught off guard. Finally, mistake number 5, not considering future resale value. You might love that quirky home now, but think about its appeal to future buyers. Location, school districts, and neighborhood amenities all play a role in resale value. So, there you have it. Avoid these 5 common mistakes and you'll be well on your way to making a smart home purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home buying tips. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.